This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Sterling Pridham. Come and fall in love with this elegant, paired villa offers low-maintenance living. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath Siesta floor plan offers open, flowing space with an oversized great room. Third bedroom can be used as a den/office with French doors for privacy and quiet. Tile flooring covers all the main living areas, plush carpet in the bedrooms. Chef's kitchen features popular espresso color 36 inches cabinets with crown molding and granite counter space. This home features stainless steel appliances, equipped laundry room with top-load washer and dryer included. Oversized bar on island that will give you more prep room or makes a great place for serving dishes while entertaining. Right across from the kitchen is the dining room if more space is needed. Great room is open all the way to the back with glass sliders, giving you the option of bringing the outdoors in. Covered extended screened lanai is a great place to enjoy breezy Florida evenings with not one but two ponds view. Owner's suite offers an abundance of natural light, tray ceilings, great shower, and a dual sink vanity with a raised cabinet. The ensuite also has a walk-in closet with space for linens. Extra smart thermostat, IQ2 Panel, Doorbell, smart door entry control, voice control and more. Watergrass offers some of the finest Florida living and activities including state-of-the-art clubhouse, pool with lap lanes, splash pad, fitness center, playground, sports courts, recreational fields and more. This home and community is truly one of a kind. Do not miss the opportunity to make it your own. Make an appointment for your private viewing today. You won't want to miss this one. For more information, review the details below or contact Sterling Pridham at 321-914-8433.